Welcome back with Carol
and Debbie.
Okay, this week's article was big splash in the paper. Sizzling luxury real estate market in the area is slowing down. Well, it all is slowing down a bit, but it's all relative. And, so as I go through the article, it's talking about, where they were getting multiple bids in 2021, all price points were, that the buyers, now this of course is a market that's normally not financed, billions and billions of dollars. They just kind of maneuver their money in their portfolio and slosh out a bunch of cash to buy these mega mansions. Mm-hmm. But the inventory is sitting a bit longer. Well, we're just going back to that normal market. The professor of economics in the University of South Florida said, yes, it's slowing down a bit, but it's, that mega market doesn't follow the general economic trends. Mm-hmm. But in general, buyers are less frenzied to make those big offers right away. They're looking to negotiate, and they're just a little bit more selective on what they were purchasing or what they are purchasing today. I mean, before the last year and a half, again, if you had a roof, 4 walls and a door, they were buying it. Mm-hmm. Now, there's not as much on the market, so they keep waiting to see if something else is coming on the market before they do purchase, but they are buying. This article also noted that some of these mega mansions are starting to go to auction. And it's not because they have to get rid of them. If you think about an art auction where they bring in these beautiful pieces, mm-hmm. and the auctions encourage people to bid. So they're just trying to unite or ignite mm-hmm. that bidding frenzy.
Pretty
I can't
strategic.
Talk today. Yes.
Pretty strategic there.
It really is. So if you see, these $17 million mansions are going on auction, mm-hmm. they're just trying to create that bidding war that they were spoiled with back in 2021. So don't be alarmed when you see these big homes.
It's not a foreclosure sale.
It's not a foreclosure. Again, you've got to read the full article, and at the very end of the article, it also noted the right properties that are marketed the right way are still moving.
Mm-hmm. And another reason to get your real estate expert involved for those negotiating skills that are going to be needed in the near future for these mm-hmm. sellers. They want, you can negotiate, and that those days are coming back for sure.
They really are.
Well, listen, Carol, and I just want to say that a big thank you to all you tennis members who attended our U.S. Open watch party this weekend. It was a tremendous success. And Chef Steve presented a magnificent spread of food. Also, along with the lottery ticket winners and the trivia ticket winners, we had a lot of happy people, and we had a phenomenal surprise. Nicole Mellicar, our own Rosedale Mellicar Martinez, and her husband and her doubles partner, Ellen Perez, flew in from the U.S. Open the night before. They had lost in the semifinals, but they have been on a lights out, hands down, phenomenal summer tour with professional tennis. They came and made an appearance. They posed for pictures, they gave autographs, and just got to mingle with our Rosedale residents, and it was quite exciting. And we want to say thank you to everybody in that regard. It was a tremendous appearance and event. And tomorrow night, back at the club, 6:30 p.m., we have an evening with Dale playing the best of 70s and 80s music. Mm-hmm. Wind down Friday, the week, and fall into the weekend with some fantastic music and drinks there at the club. And then falling into the weekend, our signature buffet is back 10:30 to 2 with a variety of breakfast and lunch items. Everything from make your own omelet to a New York strip steak. And it's $25 per person. Make your reservations today, and that's this coming Sunday.
There you go. Then back to real estate. Between Debbie and I, we were counting up this morning, we have roughly 15 to 20 active buyers, serious buyers looking for homes. And a number of them are looking for Rosedale specific. Mm-hmm. And at the higher price points, these are cash buyers. Mm-hmm. So we have some financing, but we do have cash buyers. What are they looking for? You know, a lot of people, of course, if they're coming from out of state, are looking for something move-in ready because they don't have the connections, or they're looking for specific views. So if you're wondering what your home value is, if you're wondering if your home might need something done to get it ready for market, give us a call. We have a laundry list of contractors or vendors that we can recommend. We can tell you what today's market is. We can help you get that house on the market and market property.
Ready for top dollar.
There you go. And until then, talk to you later.
See you later, alligators.